Okay, so the last one was kind of long, and I think that's why my computer kept crashing. So this time I'm going to try to fly through this. Um, I know my screen resolution isn't all that great. I haven't got to play with that much. Again, I apologize. So again, here's our week 2 lab report that I downloaded from the lab portion from here. Okay, then you get into your iLab, click on sample solution, scroll all the way to the bottom. Here's your lab answer sheet. Download that. I copy and paste it, put it in here so that we can get everything that we need. Yeah, let's start this lab. And it's loading over here. I want to pause till I log in. Okay, this basically says that we're starting a company. We're the administrator. We're going to set up some users and groups. We got into the terminal, as you can see over here. And we're going to do super user there. I'm going to go to password. Step 6 is super user. You can access my privileges. Step 7 is precaution. Make backup copy of the system to set your password file using the copy command. Copy the password file to the name. Okay, so we're going to copy from the etc password to the etc password.old. Boom, copy. Now we're gonna copy the etc group to the etc group.old. Alright. Sorry about that, the wife walked in on me. Okay, now we backed up that file for the group. Now we're going to back up the shadow file by the cp etc shadow etc shadow shadow.old. Helps if you don't fat finger it, huh? Can I create regular expression? Oh, why don't y'all tell me I had 2 C's in there? I haven't looked at it again. Okay. Step 1, action 12 is our first one that we got to get a screen capture on. Actually, I'm gonna just take this and carry it over here where you guys can't see it, but I still can. Okay, gotta make this quick. So, change directory location from home, which current directory work the directory shall place you and log on to APT. So we're gonna go cd-etc using cd command, you know. Now let you point this task on your own. Good. Use a password to verify your present working directory, not password. Okay, and the next step, we're going to use a visual editor and open the password file for adding the password files. The first file we edit when adding new users. Parameters making up each user's account are stored here in plain text form. This file should already be populated with system data and a user account created when you loaded Linux. If the file is empty, check to make sure that you are in the etc directory. Okay, so now we need to go to vi. Boom. Wow, bunch of stuff. DC password file contains entry for every unit system. Each user entry 7 fields of account information. Each field must be separated by a colon. Roger that. Fields making up each password. User password. So I'm guessing password is X. User ID is 0. Group ID is 0. 2211. Okay. User info. Then we got to use our home directory, and then the assigned shell. Okay, using up, down, right over here, because push anywhere on the last line displayed in the password file, enter a lowercase letter 0, O, not 0. This will place you in the insert mode. Okay, so set on the last line, right? Okay. Just because I feel more comfortable when I go at the end. When I hit O, we're in the insert mode. Insert lower left corner of the terminal screen. Begin entering account information for downloader as shown below. Be careful to place a colon separator for each field of the 7 fields making up an ETC password user account entry. Note the bang bang, that's an exclamation point, in the password field allows a user to set a password upon first login. That's good to know. Okay, so we're going to do Roger D colon bang bang colon 505 colon 505 colon space Roger comma D period manager IT phone number 404 292 7901. And I'm going to pause this real quick. Okay, the reason I paused is because I forgot to take a screenshot and put it in our document. So I'm going to do that right now because we can still see the whatchamajigger, the VI here. So there we go, just pasted it over. I'll save that real quick. Should count. Now we got to remember to do it on 19 as well. No, we don't want to save that. Alright, so anyway, we got the phone number. And alright, space colon backslash home Roger D bin bash is their shell. Okay, hopefully I don't have any typos in there. If I do, you can laugh at me during class. Enter. Alright, now we'll prevent the user from properly logging in. Enter account information for Betty Bask as shown below. Let's scroll this up here. Right there. So now we're going to go to Bask B, bang bang, 506, bang, 506, I'm sorry, not bang, colon space, Bask B period, manager, IT, 404. Actually, you know what, I'm going to finish typing this in and then I'll come back. Okay, so I got that typed in. Now we're going to go ahead and exit out of here. So we hit exit, the colon WQ bang. Alright, quit. Now we're gonna do the shadow. VIETC shadow. And if you read through all this, it tells you why we're gonna edit this file. I'm gonna go ahead and read a little bit of this and figure out what we gotta do, and then I'm gonna come right back again. Okay, and we're back real quick. We did the VI editor, we went to the bottom, we inserted Roger B and Bask right there, and currently I just finished with this. Now we're here after Bask hit that. Okay, so of course now we're going to do escape out of here, and then we're going to do colon right quit, bang, there we go, and now you can see that we're moving on to the next one. So again, I'm going to pause it to save video. Okay, so I had to go back into VI editor that you see here because I forgot to take my screenshot at the very end when I made the 2 user accounts for step 23. And then we change to the home directory, and then we make the directory for Roger and Bask. And now because we made them as a root user, they're going to have root user ownership of those folders. So now what we gotta do is we gotta do the chown command for Roger to say that Roger D owns the Roger D folder, and then we have to do the same thing for, can't talk and type, Bask. There, so now they actually own their own home folder. And we'll take a break. Okay, now we're going to the VI editor and we're changing their group IDs. I've already did Roger, as you can see right here. I just did the VI space / etc / group command, put me in here. I went down to the bottom, I hit O to insert, and of course we've done a million times already, just want to reiterate. So now I'm going to go ahead and do Bask B and the X and then the group permissions and another colon. And then I guess we have to enter in another one, tcom. Oops, guess we have to type them right, huh? Roger D and Bask B. I bet that's going to mess me up somewhere in this tutorial. Okay. So let me pause real quick and I can read all this stuff down. Whoa, not all that stuff. This stuff down here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, same stuff once again. We're going to come in here. We're going to hit escape. And we're going to do a colon, right quit, bang, and route. Now it tells us to change directory to home. We're going to do that. Change directory to home. Change our current working directory back to home. Right. And read on again. Alright, again, before we change the user, so the users have access, now we got to change so that the groups have access over their own folders. So we're going to use the change group command for Roger on his 2 folders, and then we're going to use the change group command for Bask on her or his 2 folders. I think it was a her. Anyway. Okay, now they want us to copy some hidden files over to the user's home directory. Remember that in Linux, the hidden files are preceded by a period. So what we're going to do is copy etc skeleton dot star, that's everything that's hidden, I guess, to their home directory for Roger, and omitting directory. Did I type something wrong there? Hopefully that was right. Alright, well, let's try it again. Everything looks right in the beginning, / etc.